Hello.
Can you help me?
Yes, tell me what is the problem.
Can you tell me how to add the mic in the keyboard for voice typing?
Okay, it is very easy to add the mic and keyboard. The video is available in the YouTube on rktechlern channel.
What?
On rktechlern. Yes, it is the YouTube channel where your problem will solve. You can watch the video in this computer. Let's watch.
Okay, please start video.
As you seeing here, there is no any mic icon on keyboard. So for enabling the mic icon on keyboard, just follow the 3 steps.
Steps 1. Go to the setting. Steps 2. After going to the setting, scroll down for finding the app option. And open the app. Steps 3. And scroll down for finding the Google option and click on Google.
And click on Enable option. Now you can see here the mic icon is enabled on the keyboard. Now you can do the voice typing. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.